wondered why we do the things we do? In our minds, there are three parts or three feelings that always control our thoughts and minds.
They fight, play, laugh to make us act based on our basic desire, what society thinks is right, and our own sense of what's moral. Kilala mo ba sila? Tara, mas kilalanin pa natin sila. One theory that explains this is Sigmund Freud's theory of the mind. They are the short-tempered, the cool one, the good one. Sigmund Freud was a famous psychologist who developed the theory of mind consisting of three parts: the id, the ego, and the superego.
Wow!
Tama yan. Kumain ka. Lahat ng binili mo, para yan sa iyo. Kainin mo yan. Deserve mo. Huwag mo nang iisipin ng kahit ano. Kainin mo na yan. It is the one who wants immediate satisfaction without thinking about consequences. Alam mo, nag-aalala ko sa health mo. Baka pwedeng i-less natin yung pagkain mo ng junk food.
괜찮아. 괜찮아요. 괜찮아.
Alam mo, kumalma nga muna kayong dalawa. Kumalma muna kayong dalawa. Pwede naman niya yung kainin while sharing. Hindi ba mas maganda yun? I-share niya. Imagine your mind is an iceberg. The tip of iceberg that you see above the water represents your conscious mind, which is awareness of what's going on around you. Beneath the water lies much largest portion of icebergs that you can see. This hidden part represents your unconscious mind, which hold thought, feelings, and memories that are hidden from your conscious awareness. Malapit na ang exam, kaya dapat mag-aral ka mabuti. Kailangan mo mag-aral mabuti para makapasa ka. Diba yun yung promise mo? Inaantok ka na, diba? Eh di matulog ka. Hindi naman masama kung tutulog ka, diba? Kailangan natin gawa ng paraan yan. Hindi pwedeng dalawa kayo nagpapakulaan kung anong gagawin niya. Kailangan natin ikalma yung mga sarili natin. Okay, gagawa tayo ng paraan. What if mag-aral muna siya at pagkatapos ng mag-aral para sa finals niya, matulog na siya. Hindi ba mas maganda yun? Hindi nung matutulog siya, hindi pa siya nakaka-review. Hindi naman pwedeng review siya ng review. Tapos hindi siya magpapahinga. Mas maganda, gawin natin na mag-aaral muna siya at pagkatapos ng mag-aaral, ng 30 minutes or kung kaya, pwede na siya kumulit at matulog. Okay?
Next time, when you find yourself in dilemma, remember the id, ego, and superego is working together in your mind, guiding through the complexities of human beings.